Hello friends, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this PC can't run Windows 11 on Hyper-V. So let's get started. After creating a virtual machine on Hyper-V, if you connect it and try to install Windows 11, it gives a message that this PC can't run Windows 11. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirement to install this version of Windows. So let's learn how to fix it. So first of all, close the Windows setup. After that, close the virtual machine window. Now from here, right click and select turn off. After that, you need to select and right click and then select settings from the menu. Now here you need to switch to security tab. And then on the right side under encryption support, you need to check the box for enable trusted platform module. Click apply. After that, you need to switch to memory tab. You can see that it's 1 GB. You need to set minimum of 4 GB, that is 4096. Apply. After that, you need to switch to processor tab. Now here you need to set minimum of 4 virtual processor. Click apply. Okay. Now connect to virtual machine again. Start it. Now follow the instruction in the Windows setup. Here select language, time currency, keyboard. Click next. Click on install now button. Click I don't have a product key. Select the edition. And this time you can see that we have successfully bypassed the screen and you can now complete the installation process of Windows 11. So that's it guys. This is how you can fix this issue. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.